In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your custom domain from Hostinger to Railway. This is going to be a very simple and easy to follow video. And if you follow this along to a T, 100% you're going to have your domain connected. So don't worry, let's get everything set up and let's get started. So once you're on Railway, you need obviously a project to be deployed. You can go ahead and deploy any project. I've got my GitHub project already deployed. This isn't going to be a video on how you can deploy a project. It's just going to show you how you can connect a Hostinger domain. So go ahead and click on your project once you're on the Railway dashboard, and then click on it again, and then go to Settings in the top right hand corner. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to get to Networking. Now you may or may not have a subdomain from Railway already set up. You don't actually need this. I could delete it, but we're going to add a custom domain. So click on Custom Domain. And then here we need to type in our domain from Hostinger. So on Hostinger, go and find your domain. So here I am in the H panel on Hostinger. I can then go to domains, and then I can choose the domain that I want to connect. So I'm going to choose knowledgebaseonline.com. So we'll copy this domain. We'll then go and type it in here with the www first. So www.knowledgebaseonline.com. Then enter in the port. So I'm going to type in 8080, that is the default port. If you've used another framework though, it's going to recommend you a port. So obviously you would know what port to enter. The default one is 8080. Make sure everything's typed in correctly, click add domain, and then it's going to give you a CNAME record you need to add. So here we've got CNAME, www, and then the value here we can just copy by clicking this button. So remember, we've got CNAME, www, value. Go back to Hostinger, click on Manage on the back end of your domain. Then once you're in the back end, you need to go to DNS/name servers, then scroll down and then go to type, CNAME, www, and then paste in the value. Now it's going to say if you've reset your Hostinger records that it conflicts with another record. We're going to go ahead and delete this. Just before you add this though, you may want to reset your records. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can reset to default. I already did this before we started recording. So this is going to be useful if you've messed everything up or you've got random records. Click on reset and then try and add in the record here that it tells you to add from Railway. So again, CNAME, www, and then the value. CNAME, www, then the value. It's telling me now that it conflicts with another record. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down to CNAME, www, and we're going to go ahead and delete this one. So now we've got this deleted. If we click on the name and back off it, the error message goes. We can then click add record. Okay, so now we've done that, we can dismiss this, and because I already added the domain, it's gone green pretty much instantly. But for you, it can take between 5 to 48 hours for the domain to propagate. This is usual. Don't worry if it's taking a little bit longer, it will work eventually. But you'll be able to then click on your domain and it will be working. So mine is going to the app that I've deployed. Now just know that this is only going to work for www.yourdomain.com. If you want the root domain to work as well, you're going to have to add that as well. Now you can only add one domain on the free plan of Railway. So you have to upgrade one plan to add 2 domains. So to do that, once you've upgraded, go to custom domain. Then what we can do is we can type in or copy and paste the root domain, which is going to be knowledgebaseonline.com. Because if we were to go to knowledgebaseonline.com now, it isn't going to work because we've not added any records and we've not told it to go anywhere. So let's do that now. Let's add the root domain. So enter in your domain, enter in the port again, which will be the same. Then click add domain. And then again, it's going to give you some records to add. So here are the records. Again, remember these very easily. CNAME, at, copy the value. So we'll go back to Hostinger, CNAME, at, paste in this value, click add record. It's then going to add that successfully. And if you're looking for it, it's going to change it to an alias record, which works exactly the same way. Just don't worry. Now, one thing that you do need to do, which I learned, you need to scroll down. And if you've got an A record pointing to any IP address, delete it. If you don't delete it, it's not going to work. So delete any A record which is going to an IP address. Now once you've done that, you can essentially refresh the page and wait for your root domain to work also. So we can see we are waiting for DNS update. You can click show instructions, and you've now just got to wait for this to connect as well. We click on it, you can see it is actually going to the project. Just wait for it to be green to be all good. Now again, this could take 48 hours. The chances are it'll probably be done in around 30 minutes if you've deleted that A record. But you can see the root domain goes to the app, and www.yourdomain also goes to the app as well. So that is how you can do it. You can see now they're both green. I hope that quick video did help you out.